Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can download the Marvel Strike Force on your PC. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to install the BlueStack on your PC. So you have to download the BlueStack from the Google, and after that you have to install it. So I have already installed that. So let's start. So firstly, we have to open the BlueStack. So as you can see, I have already installed this. So we have to click on this. So as you can see, it's loading. Now we have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So as you can see, the BlueStack is open. Now I'm going to make it on full screen, and after that we have to write the game name here. So I'm going to write the game name. As you can see, I have written the game name, and after writing the name, as you can see, you will see the suggestions here. So you have to choose the game that which one you want. For example, I want this one, so I'm going to click on this. So after clicking on this, what you have to do, you have to click on this button. As you can see, the game name is written here, and then you have to click on this button, install on app player. So let's click on it. After clicking on it, as you can see, it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds again until it loads. So as you can see, finally the game is here, Marvel Strike Force Squad. So as you can see, if you want to see the details of the game, you can also do that. Downloads are 10 million pillars, and the size of game is 142 MB and rated, and all the things are provided here. You just have to hit the install button, and the installation process will be started. And after the completion of installation process, you will be able to play the game. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can download and install this game on your PC. So see you guys in the next video.